Proxy. Pwede yung tawid ka ulit, hindi nakita eh.
Sino, saan yung one? You? Jobo? You're one?
Dito eh.
Sandali lang kasi, hold up.
Where? This is 3 where I am? No?
Yeah,
Hold up. Can't even see.
Okay,
Okay, ayos lang.
Yan, okay, isa pa. One more time, para sigurado tayo.
Belmore!
Okay na, Proxy.
Pakiayos yung number 2. Number 2. Yung isa. Oo. Thank you.
Okay na. Racers, are you ready?
Wait, picture!
Okay.
Picture!
Okay. We're given all the time in the world for precious pictures of your drivers pa sa driver. Okay na sa driver ha, huwag na kayo magpapos. Driver!
Teka lang!
Ito!
Teka!
Wala na! Ngingiti lang kayo, huwag na kayo ngiti!
Nandito na eh! Hindi! Kasha ba? Kasha! Lahat!
Gigil na gigil kayo! Ayaw namin yung nakangiti, ano kayo? Victoria?
Sige!
Dapat yung ganun.
Dapat na-depress ka!
That's it! At the time! Okay! Plaster! Looks like the blue pie is on there!
Oy! Go! Oh! Dulas!
Nawala. Hindi mo yung plug.
Okay. Kapakansaya namin na walang... Okay. And we have one, nangangapa, and we have East there on the lead with a tons of associated on his tail. Okay. Ito na. Si Joko. Warning na yan. Kaya na ka naman nakahawin, Joko.
Sa live ko.
Warning. Magigitip. Okay, and it's blasted his firepower. Continuing on the switch there, Joko. Oh, look at that! Taking the cover there. And that courage spins satisfactorily. There is out. Okay, it's a battle for first place between Abe, Raj and Joko. Now Raj successfully overtaken Joko there, and Joko. It is not giving up the ball, but he is pulling away at Joko and Raj. Yes! Over there. Let's go to Bola. Okay, madami ng invited din, kaya ganoon. No? The lighter you are, the more air you get. So, many racers here are thinking of getting lithium ion and lithium batteries, but you can get them, but there is no reason on here to be allowed. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 4 minutes. Oh, look at that! Oh, beautiful! Hindi kaya naman yun! Kakawin na naman yan. Nakatalo ka sa 6 points. Wait, nagta mo! Getting the right type of tire.
May ano ko. Tanggal sa harapan.
Lapig! Orange! Lapig!
Seconds and Brad is really hard on his hair there. And we got to come down with only 2 more minutes.
Oh, Kuteo!
Stretch part. And there goes East pulling away. First grab. Oh, wala. Nakamali sila. Ay, wala. Nandiyan naman sila. Come on! Walang bala.
cool lang. Cool. Still enough time.
Yeah, but my tires aren't cooked.
Still enough time.
Hey, my tires aren't cooked.
And Ish now has lost quite some time there. Oh, Berkeley Moore, look at him, very gentleman there. Letting Rats opening wide there. Ish, Berkeley Ish now. Oh! Ish, are you alright? Okay, he's alright. The gap between them is 1.77 seconds. High rating is 45 seconds. It's Rats. Elvin on the lead there. Look at that power. Whoa! And,
boy. Whoa! Double jump.
Definitely advantage.
Ay, dinition.
Oh, nakatiis. Bipopal na rin. Ayaw sabi ni Is. It's now or never. Nakasaksi ako. Tatanong ko yan. 25 seconds left. Pati na kayo. Ayan na si Bertie. Goes. And, Bertie tabi na. Wow! Tayo naman ni
DY, DY.
And let's see where is Raz. Dami na tao, hindi ko makita. Ayun. Si Raz.
Ah.
Ayun. Go, 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 go! Look at that. 2 seconds left.
Layo na. Layo.
Woo! Vasilidad. Vasilidad. Let's keep Raz was on the front floor for his bravery and talent.
Good job, Raj.
And strong skills that everybody really admires.